Today we'll be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 181 different strategies, with 57 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 72 of the strategies that we have put it against, every strategy that we have put it against so far. And we've also tested a total of 998 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says, free but better than premium new buy sell signal indicator for master scalping trading. Sometimes they just throw a bunch of words at the title, I suppose. Anyways, so we're going to put this claim to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what we're going to do is hide these indicators here. First indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the 2ADX/MACD confluence. It's going to be this one right here on top. So you'll add that to the screen and it will give you these buy and sell signals like so. What you're going to do is jump into the settings and we're going to turn off the plot color in the style. Then you're going to jump over to the inputs and the ADX. You're going to change that to 4. The smoothing of the ADX, you're going to change that also to 4. The MACD fast, you're going to change that to 11. The MACD slow, you're going to change that to 29. Click OK, you'll be set up there. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the Tilson T3 moving average. This one right here by Sihun, I believe it is. And so you'll add that to the screen and it'll look like this right here, at least close to. And on this one here, again, we'll jump into the settings. What you'll do is under the T3 length, the top one here, you're going to change that to 10. Then the second T3 length here, you're going to change that to 21. Click OK. You'll be good on that one. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the ADX trend filter, this one right here. Again, you'll add it to the screen and it will look kind of close to this here. Go ahead and jump into the settings once again. We're going to turn off the plot, the buy, and the sell here. And under the bar color here and the MA band here, I went ahead and turned it to the more vibrant green color and vibrant green and vibrant red color on both of these here. And so it just looks a little bit better in my opinion. You can have it however you wish. Other than that, you'll click OK on the settings and you should have what you see on the screen now. And what we're looking for is the buy signal that comes from the ADX MACD indicator. And then you're looking for the Tilson T3 to be green. It's kind of hard to see, but a line right here. You can change the Tilson T3 line to the vibrant green as well if you wish. Nonetheless, you can hover over it and you can look at the coordinates right here above my mouse and you can see whether or not it's red or green. So we'll hover over this bar here. We get the buy signal from the ADX MACD. The Tilson T3 is green. You can see the coordinates here. Like I said, the coordinates are green. Then you're going to look down to the ADX trend filter and it is also green, has that green background. It's going to be our entry, or one last thing is the bar coloration needs to be green as well. And so once all those line up there, it's going to be your entry into a long. You're going to set the long there. You put your stop right at the T3 line there. And then you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. You can see that we make a nice jump pretty much straight up, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is going to be that sell signal from the ADX MACD confluence. We're looking for the T3 to be red. Again, hover over this bar here. You can see those coordinates right here are red. And then we're looking for the ADX trend filter to also be red. And lastly, the bar coloration to be red. So once all those line up, that's going to be your signal into a short. Set the short right there. We're going to put our stop right there at the T3 line. And once again, we're going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And once again, we make a nice move down, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 42% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. The losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for a total gain of $1,000 altogether. Not horrible, I suppose. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 71 trades altogether. We had 60 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting it at an 84% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $36,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $9,900 for a total gain of $26,100. Now, this was over about 8 months worth of trading. So when you put that into consideration, $1,000 over 8 months isn't all that great. You can see that the Academy of Forex indicator did far better with far greater profit. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You also have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but it's still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading strategy. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we're keeping track of the trades, and so last week we had 5 trades on the Forex pairs. We had 5 winning trades, a 100% win rate, would have been a gain of $3,000. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, would have been a gain of $600, 100% win rate again. So for the week, we would have been at $3,600. Add that to our 10-week total, and now we would have been at $21,640 altogether. Alright, so this strategy here, go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.